Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggless biscuits at home. First, gather all your ingredients and tools. It is crucial to have very cold butter, which helps create flaky layers. Also, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit right away. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process and perfect biscuits every time. Next, whisk together your flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt in a large bowl. Then, cut your very cold butter into small, pea-sized pieces and incorporate them into the dry mixture using your fingertips or a pastry blender. Finally, slowly pour in cold milk, mixing just until a shaggy dough forms. Avoid overmixing for tender biscuits. Now, turn your shaggy dough onto a lightly floured surface. Gently knead it just a few times to bring it together, then pat or roll it to about 1-inch thickness. Use a 2-inch round biscuit cutter to cut out your shapes, pressing straight down without twisting. This technique helps achieve a good rise. Place your cut biscuits onto a baking sheet and bake them in the preheated 400 degree Fahrenheit oven for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once out of the oven, brush the tops with melted butter for extra flavor and shine. Serve these warm, fluffy biscuits with jam, gravy, or honey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.